Hey guys, what's up? Welcoming to my YouTube channel. Hope all are you doing great. In this video, I will explain a brief introduction of C Sharp. Without wasting the time here, let's get into the video. Yes, in starting only I told right, I will tell only most important repeated topics. I won't tell so much theory and all. If you want more theory, you can refer Google. In Google, so much amount of theory of C sharp available. Yes, but I will tell theory in this video, but not that much. See, first introduction pronounced as C sharp. So for C sharp language, the symbol is what? C and one as symbol, right? So that thing we can pronounce it as C sharp and developed by Anders Heisenberg and his team. It means C sharp language developed by Anders Heisenberg and his team. Next feature strongly typed. It means in C sharp we have to mention data type. It means if you are using a number, then before that variable we have to mention int as a data type. For example, if you are using any name, so for that variable we have to mention before like string. So like that we have to use in C sharp. For examples in Python, no need to mention data type. Also it's fine, but in C sharp we have to mention definitely. It is data type is mandatory in C sharp. Next, object oriented. In C sharp, it will support object oriented program too. So and so on. This is the small theory from my side. If you want more theory, you can refer from Google. For practicing and executing all our programs in C sharp, we want one platform, right? Yes, I am using Visual Studio platform throughout this series. First, you have to download as well as install Visual Studio latest version if possible for practicing. I will show how is it. Let's see. This is the overview of Visual Studio. Throughout this series, we will use this platform. See, first I will write a small basic program in our first episode. See, first we have to write for any program using system and this semicolon is mandatory in C sharp like Java, C++ and all. Next, we have to create one class. After creating the class, next inside the class, we have to create one method. Don't worry about this class methods and all. I will explain in further videos. This is the format of for writing any program. For anything we have to execute, so that lines are we have to write inside the main method. So first I will write a small program. See console dot write line welcome to SKK channel. This console dot write line is used for printing any statement in the output. And one more thing in Visual Studio, in any program, we have to write console dot read key. Let me run. See, for run option, we have to click on a start button. You have to wait at least 30 seconds. See, it's open, right? See, welcome to SKK channel. This is the output statement. Like this, we have to print anything. And one more I will tell in this video, like see console.writeLine is used for printing statements, and for taking inputs we have to use console.readLine. This is the format for taking any inputs in C sharp. This is for taking inputs and this is for printing outputs. And some of them use for printing statement like console.write also. See, let's see console.write hello like this. Let me run. Wait, I will tell what is the difference between console.write and console.writeLine. See, console.write means see hello first it print right. After that, welcome to SKK channel. If we use write means it is also executing for printing statement, but it won't break the line. Coming to the write line, it will execute as well as it will break the line. See, for example, here if you use /n, then we'll see now it break the line, right? Yes, this is the difference between write and write line. And let's see, instead of /n, if you use /t, let's see one tab space it came, right? Yes, /n is used for breaking the line and /t is used for printing a tab space. I hope you understand difference between right and right line. Yes, this is the small basic overview of Visual Studio. And one more, like, see, if you are commenting any lines, I mean, like, if I say for more understanding purpose, we have to use sometimes like comments, right? So in this studio also we have to use, but before any lines we have to mention two slashes. See, like this. See, if we write means printing statement, then it won't execute, it won't consider as a statement in the Visual Studio. For this purpose we are using these comments. I hope you understand what is the comments and all. Yes, I hope everyone understood a small brief introduction of C Sharp. That's it for now. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.